Hey guys, and welcome to Thursday. We are in Canada today, staying in Banff, and this morning we are driving to a place called Peyto Lake, which is apparently meant to be really beautiful. So we just pulled over because we think we've found a killer Instagram. Basically the idea is me riding my skateboard down the road with all the mountains in the background. I'll show you guys a view. That is the view. So the idea is I'm gonna stand in the middle of the road, just ride my skateboard straight along. So we got out of the car to take this shot. Turns out it's a little more cold than we realized. Just started snowing. Got the trusty skateboard. Oh, there's a bus coming. But that looks great. How they look, gosh. Pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty prime. I reckon one more take. One more take and then we'll get it. Last take. This is it. Oh man, it is so cold. Oh, I think we got it. My hands though. Oh, I need to put on these gloves. Well, we're now in the car park of Peyto Lake. We don't actually know how long of a hike it is. We just sort of Googled where the car park was and then figured that we could turn up and find some sick views. There's people around, which is always a good sign. And there's snow. Forecast snow. Chances are it's colder here than you expected. For each 100 meters increase in elevation, the temperature drops by half a degree. Guys, check this out. If you've been watching my past few vlogs, you know that it's all about the gram. And for the gram, I want to stand on that cliff face with that in the background. But I have to jump down there. So it's possible. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna live the adventure. Whew. Oh yeah! I've made it. So I've made it from all the way up there, where that girl is, all the way down here. Now, I just want to get around that bend, because I think there's an uninterrupted view, which should be sick. Oh, this is a bit sketch. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Which way is gonna be the best way? Now that is what I call a view. Oh, crazy. Guys, the wind just, the snow just started picking up like crazy. Oh man. I don't know if you guys can even see the snow. Whew. I hope you guys can see the snow. It's like a snowstorm.
Oh, dude.
Well, guys, we tried. Unfortunately, the fog defeated us a little. And the snow.
My camera is like freezing. It's that cold. My camera is struggling to operate. It's like ridiculous.
It's like, I feel like I'm in the movie world. Snow, look at it. Ooh, guys, this does not look good. Whoa! That truck is just flipped over.
Holy dooly, that's a truck.
Whoa, guys. That is not good at all.
Can you try
Ooh.
and turn maybe?
Oh, that's not good. Man, I hope everyone's okay. Well, we've come back to the apartment now, and the sun is starting to set, so we thought maybe we should go and chill in the spa, or hot tub for you Americans watching. The only problem is, it's still just as cold outside, so we have to get from our apartment to the spa in our swimmers. Ooh. It's gonna be cold as. Look at this view. Not bad. It's so cold. Oh, guys, this is so good. Well, guys, I'm gonna say goodnight. It's been a massive day, and I'm going to get an early night. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Canada adventure. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you've been liking these vlogs, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.